Our religion is the most wholesome of them all. Our religion is Allah Almighty's perfect and chosen way of life for all of humanity. And so naturally and predictably, this would be a religion that would foster in the lives of its adherents the most wholesome and perfect of characteristics. Characteristics that help them not only become, as they say today, to become the best version of yourself, but more importantly, characteristics that enable you and I to attain those highest gardens in Jannah and to fast track our ability to reach the acceptance of Allah Almighty. Is this not our ultimate goal? And from those many perfect characteristics that Islam wants to inculcate and foster and nurture in the hearts of all of us, young and old, male and female, is the characteristic that focuses and centers on the idea of being orderly, of being regulated, of being organized in your life, of being a man and woman who works towards a specific and noble goal. This, of course, is in contrast to the idea of being spontaneous, random, chaotic, taking opportunities as they come and just tumbling through life. Islam does not want you to live that type of life.